Good morning. Moringa Monger here with a Moringa egg ranchero recipe. I have some serrano peppers, some tomato, and some vidalia onion mixed together, sauteing in the pan. And over here we have some Moringa powder added to the eggs. And this is going to go along with our morning brunch taco here. We've added our moringa and egg along with the sauteed tomatoes and onions and serrano peppers, and we have some tortillas heating up over here. Let's flip these over. Some regular corn tortillas. And I have some over here ready to go. We'll be back with a finished product. We have the finished product. I've topped our moringa eggs tacos with the soon-to-be world-famous moringa guacamole. Hope you enjoy. I sure am.